Hi everyone, welcome to Nippon Spoon. On this channel, I usually share halal-friendly Japanese home cooking recipes. But today's video is a little different. I recently went back to Japan for summer vacation, and I want to share some of the meals I enjoyed during my stay. These are not fancy restaurant meals, just the everyday food I ate while spending time in Japan. Let's get started. Let's start with breakfast. When you think of Japanese breakfast, you might picture rice, grilled fish, and miso soup. But that's not what we usually eat at home. My family has always been a bread for breakfast family. Toast, a fried egg, salad, coffee, cheese, and watermelon. A simple breakfast that feels familiar and comforting to me. This was one of my lunches during my stay in Japan. On this day, we had sweet potato, grilled chicken wings, potato salad, simmered squid and daikon, tofu, squid sashimi, ramen, and rice. This might look like a lot of food, and honestly, it was. A typical Japanese home meal often includes several small dishes like this, rather than just one main dish. This kind of variety is something I really enjoy about Japanese home cooking. This was dinner. We had steamed rice, Japanese rolled omelette, sautéed thinly sliced beef, stir-fried zucchini, and salad. Thinly sliced beef is a staple in many Japanese home kitchens because it's quick to cook and incredibly versatile. I sincerely hope thinly sliced meat becomes more common around the world. This was lunch. Hot steamed rice with kimchi and natto is one of my favorite simple lunches. We also had grilled vegetables, cucumber, mentaiko, spicy kotaro, takuan pickles, and watermelon. My husband isn't a big fan of natto, so he had fried horse mackerel instead. This was dinner. We had steamed rice, chicken tender cutlets, croquettes, grilled vegetables, and salad. The sea is close to my parents' home, and the sea bream sashimi came from a fish my husband caught. It was incredibly fresh and absolutely delicious. This was lunch the next day. We had steamed rice, salt-flavored yakisoba, and Japanese pickles. The grilled sea bream was another fish my husband had caught the day before. We often keep lunch simple with noodles on weekends. But thanks to the fresh sea bream, it turned into a much more special meal than usual. This day, we were invited to a family gathering at my relative's house. The table was filled with steak, sushi, karaage, fresh salad, grilled vegetables, and sweet corn. It was like a dream meal filled with all of my favorite foods. I left with a very full stomach and a very happy heart. And that's it for part 1 of what I ate during my trip to Japan. there are still more everyday meals to share. So I hope you'll come back for part 2. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.